increase in white cells in Dennis's internal organs, it would be a telltale sign of a deadly infection. But at this point, even without microscopic evidence, Dr. G believes Dennis's cause of death.
Bill Goudy and Lucy Lou checking in. Rainy day. Finally, a day for me to get caught up. Try to get caught up anyway. It's been busy, crazy busy around here. The mushrooms have popped. The grass is growing. The weeds need trimming. The trees have fallen all over the winter. Yeah, it's been busy. I need a down day. A day just like today. You know, I made some videos. And then I got too tired to edit them. And so these were last week. I made them. And check them out, will you? I want to say a special thanks to Shane Sloan. He sent me this John's Extra Hot. Oh, it's good. Oh my goodness. This is an award-winning sauce. And it's from Oklahoma. I think he sent me a care package with a whole bunch of stuff in it. I've been using it off and on. I think it was last year that he sent this stuff to me. Oh, it's so good. It really is. Thank you, Shane. His link will be down below. I use this sauce on some baby back ribs. They were on sale for $2.99. I couldn't pass it up. I got them.
Look at the goodness.
You've all seen me cook steak over the campfire. This is just awesome steak, but it's just a cheap cut. Yeah, charcoal steak. But the whole key to this was somebody made mention that they made a Blue Cheese Cole Slaw. I punched it in. I did a search on YouTube. This was so good. He was so right. I am so happy. I can't remember who it was that told me about that. And I don't think they made videos. But he's a regular watcher, a regular commenter, and told me about the Blue Cheese Cole Slaw, and I am so happy. It's so good. I made a combination of recipes to make it my own. And if you like blue cheese, you're going to love this coleslaw. And, I'm low carb, so I didn't add any sugar, no sweeteners. But you sure could if you wanted to. Lucy and I want to thank you for watching. Bill Goudy and Lucy out.